Everyone, welcome to the channel. This is a monthly read for Leo, Sun, Moon and Rising for the month of August. Today with the regular Rider-Waite Tarot deck, I am using two oracle cards to draw themes for the month. So I have Chakra Wisdom oracle cards and I have Moonology oracle cards from Yasmin Buland. Okay, so situation on the table is telling me that it's a kind of stalemate situation in your life. The person you are dealing with can be an air sign, and after many weeks and months, you might have been feeling yourself as an air sign as well. You may be feeling yourself as harsh and as rude as the person in front of you can be. For the situation, I have Queen of Swords in reverse, someone who is very blunt, someone who is rude to talk, someone who has no emotions. Maybe this person is your work colleague, or otherwise. In the deep past, there is a truth that has not been told. There is some sort of news that has not been given. Maybe you were not very much sure about the person due to their behavior, and you didn't speak about your emotions in the past. Now you are trying to control strongly upon your emotions. You are trying to have more control on your emotions, and maybe you are also not very much sure how much you want to move toward that person or not. Due to all this situation, you are reluctant to take any sort of step. You are reluctant to see them, you are reluctant to have a good time with them, and moreover, with their due to their behavior, maybe you are tired of being in this state of wait for the months and years. You are not very much sure whether there will be any happy family in between you and them, and situation is becoming very burdensome for you. For the time being, there I cannot see any possibility to have some sort of big change in your life. Maybe things will remain in the same situation, and most probably till the end of this month of August or maybe early September, your wish will not be granted. Very sorry to say. You are tired from their behavior of not giving enough. Have been tired of being ignored. I feel this is due to the thing that they might be a workaholic. If you are a workaholic, or they are, or you both are the workaholic, you guys need to reduce the amount of work, and you and your person should give priority to the relationship. One more thing which is over here is this Moonology card: be bold and make the first move. So basically, whatever situation is going on in between you and your person, you guys are not open up towards each other. You guys are not opening up towards each other, and not giving priority to the emotions and relationship building and similar things. That is why you people have very much a cold behavior towards each other. Rather, you guys are not looking at each other. You guys are looking in your own direction. You guys are both of you are busy in your own life, in your own work, and there is no interest to start a strong or start to form a strong bond or relationship. So in this scenario, it's really hard to see any feelings or any relationship which is substantial, and which will be developing rapidly, I cannot see any sort of situation in your life. For the time being, you or your person or both of you seriously need to reduce your work amount on daily basis and start talking to each other, start communicating with each other, start spending time with each other. Otherwise this situation will remain either same or may be turned into more negative thing. So it's a high time to start to push the things in a positive direction. It's a high time to have a bold step and start and make the first move as well. Since this is a cardinal moon, so I really feel if you are dealing with the air sign, then I really feel that Leos should start this movement by themselves. Okay, so this was the reading for Leo for the month of August. I will see you next time with another reading. Take care. Bye.